In this video, I'm going to show you how to add leads to Zoho CRM automatically. So, automating leads capture helps streamline your sales process and ensure you never miss potential customers. So, first, make sure you are on the official website of Zoho CRM. And now, click this settings on the upper right corner. And now, under the developer space or the developer hubs, select the web form. So unfortunately, the web forms is not listed in the developers hub. So we're going to search on the search bar for the web forms. Now select on that. And then in here, wait for it to load up. So in here, click the new form button. And now, once you click on that, you will need a name for it and then choose a module. Since we are going to create a leads, we're going to choose the leads. So, and customize the form fields. Now, embed a generated form code on your website to automatically send submissions to Zoho CRM. So, in terms of integrating Zoho CRM with email and landing pages, if you use Zoho Forms, MailChimp, or third-party landing pages like WordPress, Wix, you can connect them to Zoho CRM. Now, in terms of automating lead capture from emails, go to settings and then developer space and then email parser and then set up parsing rules to extract lead details from emails automatically and then choose the lead modules and specify how data should be mapped from the email body. And after that, activate the email parser to start capturing leads from a specific email address. And now to connect the Zoho CRM with Facebook or Google Ads, just for example, so navigate to settings, channels, social, and connect your Facebook or Google Ads account and enable leads ads integration to automatically capture leads from ad campaigns. And that's it. That's how you add leads to Zoho CRM automatically. By integrating forms, emails, ads, and automation tools, you can streamline your lead capture process and improve your sales efficiency. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.